Hello students, welcome in our question and answer session of the poem The Rebel. So let's start. Question number first. Answer the following question. First question for you is, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? And the solution is, the teacher would scold the student who would not be dressed in the school uniform while coming to school. Okay students, let's see once again. The teacher would scold the student who would not be dressed in the school uniform while coming to school. Okay, look at the next question. See, when everyone wants to clear sky, what does the rebel want most? We have seen it. When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? And that is, when everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants the sun or sunshine. Okay, okay students, let's see for next question. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? It also we have seen. Let's see. If rebel has a dog for a pet, the others are most likely to be cat lovers. Look at that once again. If rebel has a dog for a pet, the others are most likely to be cat lovers. Okay. Look, next question. Why is it good to have rebels? Why is it good to have rebels around you? Because it is good to have rebels. See, it is good to have rebels because they are different and they teach us to able to accept and tolerate differences. This is the main reason. That's why it is good to have rebels. Look once again, it is good to have rebels because they are different and they teach us to be able to accept and tolerate differences. Okay students, look at that next question. Why is it not good to be rebel oneself? Why it is or is it not good to be a rebel oneself? Solution is, it is not good to be a rebel oneself because the society never accept a rebel and always critiques his behavior. Society criticize while teaching. I told you that how society neglect and criticize that rebel. Okay student, so one should avoid to be a rebel. Okay, look at that next question. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? And if not, why? You have to answer both the questions. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? And if not, why? Let's see. I would like to be a rebel because a rebel is able to think individually rather than following the herd mentality, means a regular mentality. Okay, and he has his own opinions like that, and therefore I would like to be a rebel. Once again I will repeat, I would like to be a rebel because a rebel is able to think individually rather than following the herd mentality. Okay, however, it is not easy to be a rebel as the rebels are always critic by the society for their different behavior. If you would not be like a rebel, then why? What is the reason of it? It is because the society always critic the rebel because of his different behavior. Okay students, let's see next question. That is the question number 2. Find in the poem an antonym for each of the following words. Here I have given directly to you the antonyms of the given words: long, short; grow, cut; quietness, disturbance; sober, fantastic; lost, find; So these are the simple words that are given in our question. Okay, look at that question number 3. Find in the poem lines that match the following. Okay, read both one after the other. Okay, look at that. These lines are given, that black ones and the red ones are the answers. The rebel refuses to cut his hair. The rebel refuses to cut his hair. It means what? The rebel lets his hair grow long. It means the rebel let his hair grow long. Okay, it means he refuses to cut his hair. Okay, look at that second one. He says cats are better. He says cats are better. It means what? He puts in good word for dogs. He puts in a good word for dogs. Okay, he recommends dogs. He recommends dog. It means what? He has a preference for cat. He has a preference for cat. He is unhappy because there is no sun. He is unhappy because there is no sun. So it means when everybody is getting the rain. When everybody is getting the rain and everybody was pleased, he was unhappy because there is a no sun. He is noisy on purpose. He is noisy on purpose. It means what? When nobody talks during the lesson. When he became the noisy on purpose, when nobody talks during the lesson. Okay, so these are the matches for given lines. Okay, students, look at that next question, and it is for practice purposes. Look at that. Question number 1. What does the rebel do when everybody talks during the lesson? Short answer questions are there. What does the rebel do when everybody talks during the lesson? When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel becomes absolutely silent. He became silent when all the children talking during the lesson. He became silent like. Okay, look at that question number 2. Why did the rebel choose to wear fantastic clothes? Why does the rebel choose to wear fantastic clothes? Okay, look at that solution. When the rebel sees everybody dressed in uniform, when the rebel sees everybody dressed in uniform, the rebel chooses to wear fantastic clothes. Okay, so here some opposites are done by rebel. Look at that. Question number 3. Are the rebels rain lovers? Are the rebels rain lovers? The rebel become rain lover when they realize that the others enjoying the sun. When others enjoying the sun, the rebel became a rain lover. Okay, look at the next question, short answer type question. Why do rebel always contradict the other? Means why they oppose this other? Solution: the rebel always contradict other because they wish to stand out to be different. They wish to stand out to be different and stand out from the rest of the crowd. Stand out from the rest of the crowd. They wish to retain their voice and preferences as well as opinions rather than blindly following the crowd. They wish to retain their own voice and preferences as well as opinion. They want to retain their opinion rather than blindly following the crowd, and therefore rebel always contradict the others. Okay, students, look at that next question. Why does the society disapprove of the rebel? Why does society disapprove the rebel? Let's see. The rebel do not conform to the standard decision and choices made by the society at large. Once again, look at that line. The rebel do not conform to the standard decisions and choices made by the society at large. They have their own opinions, unique thinking, are different at times even go to the extent to the contradicting others merely to the highlight themselves as unique. Let's see once again. They have their own opinions, unique thinking, and they are different, and at a times even go to the extent to contradicting others merely to highlight themselves as a they wanted to highlight themselves as a unique, and therefore the society disapproves the rebel. Okay, and look at that next questions. Here the first extract is given to you and you should answer the questions given below. Okay, look at that questions and answer. With reference to the above extract, do you think it is good to be a rebel? No. To go against the flow just to show that you are different or to prove your superiority is wrong. It is very wrong thing that you should go different and you have to prove your superiority. You go wrong. It is absolutely wrong. Unnecessarily breaking the rule unless there is some noble cause is not acceptable. Unnecessarily breaking the rule is absolutely not acceptable, and therefore I think it is good. It is good. It is good to not have a rebel. Look at the question number 2. Can there be a good reason behind staying silent when everybody is talking? Can you tell? Can there be a good reason behind staying silent when everybody is talking? Okay, let's see. Yes, it is good to be silent. Sometimes people keep on arguing unnecessarily out of their ignorance of the entire and actual situation. In such a situation, a wise man would say silent. A wise man would stay silent because he don't want to do argument with others. Okay, and he avoid to argue unnecessarily like that, and therefore it is very good to be silent when others are talking. Look at that next question. What do you think the rebel doesn't like? What do you think the rebel doesn't like? Options are given are there. Opposing the authority, going with the flow, taking lesson in classroom, taking advice of an illiterate person. So what doesn't rebel like? Yes, it is going with the flow. He never like it. Okay, okay, look at that next question. What must be the what must be the main motto of rebel in your opinion? What must be the main motto of rebel in your opinion? And options are teaching the society to be dutiful, obeying the rules, bringing the disharmony, bringing about the change. And that is the correct answer is bringing about the change. Okay, look at the third one. What does the rebel do when nobody talks during the class? I think you would know. Create a disturbance, spoils the atmosphere, teaches the teacher, runs away. And that is the answer is create the disturbances when nobody in the class is talking. Okay, look at that next para means next stanza, and we are going to see some questions on this para. Okay, let's see. Question number 1. What decides the choices made by the rebel? What decide the choices made by the rebel? And the answer is the society opinion can never be a rebel's choice. The society's opinion can never be a rebel's choice. The rebel's choices are based on what the society would not accept or agree to. And rebel's choices are only based on what society would not accept or agree. Okay, so these are decided by the rebel. Question number 2. why does the poet say it is not good to be rebel oneself? Why does the poet say it is not good to be a rebel oneself? The poet says that it is not good to be rebel oneself because one would not be accepted by the society. One would not be accepted by the society, and therefore poet said that it is not good to be a rebel. Okay. Look at that question number third. Use the word rebel in your own sentence. It is very simple thing. Look at that. Jimmy always disagrees to what others say. He is a rebel. Look at that sentence once again. Jimmy always disagrees to what others say. He is a rebel. Okay. Then some multiple choice questions are there. Why do you think is the character of rebel best on? Who do you think is the character of rebel best on? And this character of rebel is best on a young child. The answer is a young child. Okay. Look at that next question. Question number. What does the rebel do? What does the rebel do? What does the rebel do? Defy others, disobey others, trust others, or love others? And the answer is defy others. Okay. Look at that next one. Who does not like the rebel? Who does not like the rebel? The poet, the political activists, the society, the rebels. And the answer is the society does not like rebels. Look at that question number 4. Why does the rebel demand for the rain when everybody is praising the sun? Why does the rebel demand for the rain when everybody is praising the sun? And options are: he is craving for rain, he hates the sun, he is not happy with what everybody likes, and none of the above. Actually, the answer is he is not happy with what everybody likes, and therefore rebel demands for the rain when everybody is praising the sun. Okay, students, here our whole the session ends, and thank you for hearing me. You should write all the question and answer in your notebook.